Here's a quick start for the live this week to make sure your downloads are ready. So in your download email, you'll click the link and it'll take you to this page. Hit download now, go to your pop-up, open in folder. And I have two screens, so it popped off here to the side, so I'll drag it over. And then I'm going to pull up my Silhouette software. And then you're going to drag your file into the program. And it does come with 6, so there'll be all kinds of them. So let's make this screen bigger. We're going to move it over to the side, figure out which one we want to use, ungroup them, move them off our cutting space, and then drag over the one you want to use. Once you do that, you're going to want to make sure it's set to the size of the tumbler that you're using. Oh, I picked the wrong one. We're going to pick this one. Then you're going to set it to the size that the tumbler you want to use. This is just me checking the last wrap I did with the same size cup I was using. I changed my dimensions. And then you'll cut it out. This one is going to be on tacky tape. And then once that's finished, for the tacky tape portion, you do need the whole design. And then for the vinyl, once this is done, there we go. For the vinyl, I go back to this screen. My recording's a little crooked, sorry about that. I copy it so I don't lose any of the originals. And then I take my slicing tool and I slice right below where the vinyl's going to go in those blank spaces and cut it and then delete that bottom part. Because we don't need that for the vinyl, none of the vinyl's going there, and then we save, you know, a good chunk of our vinyl so we can use it again and again for additional cups. And then I'll cut this on just my vinyl setting of whatever of the 4 vinyls or any vinyls that you chose to use. For this one, I'm using the pumpkins. And then you'll trim them and you'll be ready for our live. Let me know if you have any questions and see you Wednesday.